All right, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over how to take profit from coins that you bought on Uniswap using Coinbase wallet, how to get those coins transferred into another exchange and transfer it back into USD so you can get it into your bank account. I'm about to explain everything on this video, so please stick around and watch the whole video. In order to demonstrate this, we're going to be using an app called BitMart. So for this to work, you got to make sure your coin is listed on BitMart. I recommend before you invest in any altcoins that are early crypto projects, look at their white paper, follow them on Twitter, make sure that the developers are getting listed on other exchanges outside of Uniswap. So once your coin is listed on another exchange outside of Uniswap, you can send it from Coinbase wallet and transfer it back into USD, back into your bank account. And I'm going to show y'all how to do this. So in order to demonstrate this, we're going to be using Saitama, right? So the first thing you have to do is you have to send your coin out of your Coinbase wallet, right? And I sent my coin to BitMart, right? If we go to BitMart, you will see that I sent Saitama here, right? I sent about $3,700 worth of Saitama. I paid a $90 gas fee to do that, or a $90 miner fee to do that, right? You can see the transaction was a success. Once you have the Saitama or any one of your crypto assets that's listed on BitMart, right? It's a couple others I can show you. Even the other one we're invested in right now, Luffy, is available on BitMart. But once you have it on BitMart, all you do is find the market, right? Saitama to USD. Then you would sell, and you would change this limit order drop down at the top to a market order. And here you would press under total Saitama, you would press 100. Now I did this before I made the video, kind of prepping for this video, and I pressed sell. The thing about BitMart, when you press sell, it doesn't pop up with the confirmation sale page, to confirm that you wanted to sell it. It'll sell it immediately. So I ended up selling my Saitama. And once you sell it, right, it'll appear as USDT under your assets. And once you have it in USDT, you have to withdraw that to Coinbase. Right? You got to withdraw it back to the main Coinbase, right? Understand, Coinbase wallet and Coinbase are two different apps, right? They're two different apps. Even though they're the same company, it's two different apps. So if we go to Coinbase, you will have to go under the trade icon. Hold on. Go under the trade icon and look up USDT. Once you look up USDT, you can, in the top right-hand corner, if you click on wallet and then in the top right-hand corner, you can copy your receive address for Tether. So you would copy this address, you would go back to BitMart, and in the withdrawal, right, you would paste that address. You will paste that address. Now, the minimum amount you can send out is $25, and it is a $50 fee to send out that money. So once you send it out from BitMart, it'll be in your Coinbase account. And from here, you can simply deposit it straight back into your bank account, right? So that's my video for today. If y'all need any help with any of this, please leave a comment. I'll do my best to respond and help you in the comments. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.